Rappel Station, your guide to understanding and using the term. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, Rappel Station. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a climbing aficionado, understanding this term is essential. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Rappel Station is a phrase that combines two distinct words, rappel and station. To fully grasp the meaning, we need to look at each word separately. Rappel, this term originates from the French word rappeler, meaning to recall or to summon. In the context of climbing, it refers to the controlled descent down a rock face or slope using a rope. Station, in general English usage, a station is a designated area where a particular activity takes place or where specific services are provided. So, a rappel station is a specific spot or setup used by climbers to safely descend a cliff or slope using ropes. In climbing and outdoor sports, a rappel station is a critical element. It ensures safety and efficiency when descending steep terrains. Key features include anchors, secure points to which ropes are attached. Ropes, specifically designed for rappelling, providing strength and flexibility. Safety measures, essential checks and procedures to ensure a secure descent. Understanding and using a rappel station properly is crucial for any climber's safety and success in the sport. Beyond its technical definition, the term rappel station reflects the influence of specialized jargon in everyday language. It's an example of how specific hobbies or professions introduce new terms into broader usage. For English language learners, it shows the dynamic and evolving nature of the language, influenced by diverse activities and cultures. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the term, rappel station. Whether you're scaling mountains or the heights of English proficiency, remember that learning is an adventure. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!